Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno 8 Pro to an Android device. You need to begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge located at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OPPO, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and finally decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. If you prefer to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close a node. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!